In addition, later we'll be doing something called a hill park.
Okay.
And for legal purposes, well, if it was real, you'd be taking the key with you.
Ah, yeah, of course.
So, but when you're doing the test, you're not thinking like I'm really leaving the bike.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's easy to think I've done the park. Well, of course I would take the key, but if you leave the key in,
Yeah.
boom,
Ah, all right.
history.
Thanks for letting me know that.
So
Yeah.
for the test, there are 3 important ingredients. First gear, steering to the left, and the key out.
Okay.
Now we have the mount. So front brake on. Well, actually, tell you what, because we've got the key out, we can pretend that we're doing a hill start.
Yeah.
So key in
The key in.
and turn it on.
So now.
Saves going back. Front brake on to secure the motorcycle. Jump on. Use your thigh to pick up the bike.
Okay.
Straighten up the steering and the side stand. Now, how do we say Italian? Bonzo? Bonzo? Voila?
Buona. Buona. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's see you do that again. Onto the side stand.
Side stand.
Beautiful.
I check is still on the left.
Mm-hmm.
Key.
Magic. Now, let's do the main stand. So key in, turn it on. Now, you can front brake to steady the bike.
Yeah.
Use your hip to push the bike upright.
Like this.
And straighten up. And you can kick the side stand with your foot. Now you want to get parallel, like this.
Okay.
And then what you do is your weight is on that side. So you can pick this foot up and put it onto, beautiful. Then you push down and you find,
I check the 2 stands.
yep,
Like this.
you can feel,
Yeah.
beautiful. Then what you do, guiding with this hand, keep this one straight. And all of your weight from here and over to here.
That's it.
Beautiful. Okay, now what we do is you get onto the bike,
Right.
looking up, looking ahead, eyes toward the horizon, beautiful, and you rock back and you push forward and a little bit of brake and you come off. Yes. Let's try that again. So front brake on, you jump off. No need for the side stand. Yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And the side stand down. Okay. I'll get you to come over here. There's just one little correction. Yeah, I'll grab the key. Blanky, you take over the video. You don't get paid for this, by the way.
Yeah.
Now, one of the things that you did when you were putting the bike onto the main stand
Yeah.
is that you had your brake on, just keep the bike stable. It's not going to move.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's steady. You took your hand off,
All right.
and the bike, if it was on a slope, it would be moving.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you've got no control, except maybe if it's in first gear and the clutch
Okay.
down. And then you do this, and then you sort of, that's okay, but much better if you do this. So,
Ah.
so
No.
you get off, the front brake is still on.
Okay.
This means you can hold onto the handlebars.
Yeah.
You've got grip, stability. Then you put the weight onto this leg, and then down, and then you knock short onto,
To stand.
and
Yeah.
then when you've got both feet down, you've got 1 point, 2 point, 3 points for
Okay.
contact. And then the bike's not going anywhere, it's steady.
Yeah.
From here,
Okay.
okay.
So, but you keep pressing the clutch or you release it?
It doesn't really matter. I mean,
It doesn't matter.
theoretically, if it's in first gear,
You should.
the clutch can make it difficult to move the back wheel.
Yeah.
Okay? So if that makes a problem, you pull the clutch in.
Okay.
But you wouldn't pull the clutch in until you got the pegs down. So let's try that again. So you jump on, push forward, beautiful. Now you dismount, keep the front brake on, the stand down, find the 2 feet.
Yeah.
When you have the 2 feet, then yes, beautiful. And then keep an eye up, looking over,
Yeah.
fantastic. Okay, magic.